Hey, Joellen, our client just sent over 30,000 new customer addresses. Could you just quickly split those into state, city, and zip code? Oh, and highlight the ones with the missing info? Cool?
Sure, no problem. There, it's done.
Joseph, can you just go through this maintenance log and label every entry category and severity? I need a prioritized list because there are over 500 entries in there.
Done.
This is why you're a rock star. Hey Joe, based on the meeting we had, I need you to pull up from the transcript the tasks and due dates of all the people working on Project Symbol and create a progress tracker.
You mean the 2-hour meeting we just had with the full 43-person team?
Mm-hmm.
All set.
Amazing. I told everyone you got this.
Hold up.
Hey Jenna, I just got the final guest counts and contract statuses for all 50 vendors. Remember, our standard contract says over 500 guests gets the $45 volume rate. Otherwise, it's $65. If they miss the early bird deadline in column D, add that 15% late fee. And don't forget the $1,200 travel stipend for the out-of-state ones before adding the 8% tax. Can you just get those totals calculated for the whole list?
Yeah, that should cover it for you.
Thanks, Jenna.